Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 7. A ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meters. If its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square, with what velocity will it strike the ground? And we have another bit, that is, after what time will it strike the ground? Here two quantities are to be found. First one is velocity and second one is time. Here if we observe the question carefully, a ball is gently dropped. So here just imagine, here is a ball, it is dropped from a height, whereas the height is given as 20 meters. So from this point to this point, if you take this as ground, if you consider this as ground, the height is given as 20 meters. Now if its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square, if you understand this question carefully, the given quantity is rate of change of velocity, nothing but acceleration. So here this 10 can be taken as acceleration. So here 10 meter per second square is acceleration. Now we are asked to find the velocity, that is final velocity, and the time taken to reach the ball from this point to the ground. Now here let us start solving this problem. Given here this height, this is vertical height, but this is the distance travelled by the ball. So here we can write given height is nothing but distance travelled that is, it can be taken as S. Here the distance travelled is given as 20 meters. So S is given. Here if you take this vertically as the height and horizontally it can be taken as distance. If not, the height is nothing but the distance travelled by the ball. So here S is 20 meters. And here acceleration A is given as 10 meter per second square. Now we are asked to find the final velocity, whereas here the ball is gently dropped. It means we are not giving any external force, so it is dropped freely. In that case, initial velocity can be taken as 0. Initial velocity u can be taken as 0. Since the distance is in meters, acceleration in meter per second square, we can take the distance, initial velocity as 0 meter per second. Here the reason is that since it is dropped gently, now we are asked to find the final velocity. The first bit is final velocity, that is nothing but v. That is what, since the initial velocity is meter per second, final velocity also will be in meter per second. Now we are going to find its value. If you observe the given quantities here, S, A, U and then V is required. We have three formulas, three equations of motion. First one is V equal to U plus AT, second one is S equal to UT plus half AT square, and third one is V square minus U square equal to 2AS. That is suitable here for solving this. So now here we have 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. Let us send negative U square to this side. So here we will get V square equal to U square plus 2AS. So on simplification, V square let us write as it is equal to U square. U is here 0. So 0 square plus 2 into A. Here A is acceleration, that is 10. into s. S is here 20. 0 square is 0 plus 2 tens are 20. 20 20s are 400. So here v square is 400 meter per second. So this is the value of v square, but here we are asked to find v. So let us consider here their square root. So v is equal to under root 400, that is nothing but plus or minus 20, whereas minus 20 is not possible to take because the velocity cannot be negative. Let us consider only plus 20 and units is meter per second. So final velocity is v equal to 20 meter per second. Now let us see the second bit, that is time taken is denoted by t. That is what we need to find. Out of the three equations, first equation is suitable, that is v is equal to u plus at. Let us substitute the known values. Here v is 20, u is 0 and a is 10 and t let us write as it is. 0 plus 10 into t is 10 into t. So 10 into t is equal to 20, whereas t is equal to 20 by 10, nothing but 2. What about the units here? Since the velocity, both the velocities are in meter per second and a is in meter per second square, distance is in meter, so time will be in seconds. Therefore time taken is 2 seconds. Now here let us conclude. With what velocity will strike the ground? Therefore the required velocity is 20 meter per second, and another bit is after what time will it strike the ground? After 2 seconds it will strike the ground. With this both the bits are completed and problem number 7 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.